Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca of the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on yet another hot day. We're recording this as of 4:30. Is it 4:30? Yep, Sunday afternoon. And here we go again. Look at these high temperatures today. In fact, that 97 in Providence is a record breaker. Heat advisory continues right on through early this evening, and the potential is there to get close to 90 briefly on Monday afternoon across inland spots. So the heat advisory has been extended for areas away from the coastline on Monday. And Monday looks like a busy weather day, not just the heat and the humidity, but the risk for some strong to even borderline severe thunderstorms. Look at this. I haven't been to the beach yet all summer. I got to get down there. Look at Narragansett Town Beach, folks, cooling off. You got temperatures along the coastline, excellent, cooler, but still very warm. And kind of windy, too. Got a bit of a gusty breeze today, just pumping in that heat and humidity. We take a look at the dew points, and you can see they're a lot higher along the South Shore, lower 70s, while it's only 61 in Smithfield. So the air has more of a dry feel to our north, but very humid along the South Shore at this hour. This much higher humidity is going to work inland tonight. The humidity really cranks up on Monday. So the heat advisory continues till 8 o'clock this evening, and then getting reissued for inland areas away from the coastline on Monday. So we take a look at the threat tracker, and for tonight, it's generally low. Obviously, it'll cool down a little bit, but still a warm, muggy, summery night. And Monday's a busy weather day. So for starters, hot, humid, we'll get close to 90, so a heat advisory for some. The current concern that we still have here is for late afternoon and early evening. I would say thunderstorms are likely, and some of these may be strong to severe. So we really need to be weather aware. If I had to, kind of narrow down the timing on this, I would say anytime between 4 and let's say 3 and 8 p.m. in the evening for a line of strong to severe thunderstorms to be coming through. We really need to watch this closely. And again, this would be the second half of the day. Tuesday looks good. The heat wave's over. And actually, potentially the heat wave may end on Monday, but if we hit 90, that would make it day 7. And then not as hot and less humid on Tuesday. So as far as the potential storm impacts with this line of thunderstorms Monday afternoon, clearly heavy rain, a moderate risk of some hail. There's a high risk of some wind damage due to straight line wind gusts. In other words, winds that are not twisting. And here we go. On the tornado chance, it's not zero, it's low. So in other words, we didn't write the word none here, but rather low. And it's just that the risk is there, albeit low, but something they'll have to watch very closely. A better chance of getting this kind of wind damage, straight line, but we'll have to watch for this potential as well, even though it's a very low risk at this point. So on the satellite radar composite, it's fairly quiet in terms of storms, and the system or the front that we're watching for, where is it? Back through the Great Lakes. This will be arriving later in the day on Monday afternoon and Monday evening, and this would be the spark to set off some strong thunderstorms. So the Severe Storms Prediction Center has our area shaded in yellow. So in other words, this very light pale green is just general thunderstorms. And then the scale for severe is, you actually kind of on a scale from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this yellow would be kind of a level 2. So potential is there that some of these storms may be severe, just about for the entire area. I'm kind of favoring even the higher risk being in our northern suburbs, but really all areas need to be watchful tomorrow afternoon, just kind of giving the edge to the northern suburbs, perhaps a higher risk that some of these storms are severe. So for this evening and overnight, it's just warm and humid. Here we are Monday morning at 7 a.m. It's already 80. So we do have a shot inland of getting to 90. And as that front approaches late day and early evening, you start to see some of these storms. So this is something that we'll need to watch very closely. But wrapping it up, the heat and the humidity continue throughout the remainder of the afternoon. Warm and humid for tonight, no storms. Potential to get to 90 one more day on Monday. Heat advisory for inland areas, and the risk is there for strong to severe thunderstorms by roughly mid to late afternoon and early on Monday evening. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.